Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore missing Chrome top toolbar in Windows 11 and 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome launches and you can see your main window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down list of options. This menu gives you access to Chrome's various features and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This option is typically found towards the bottom of the menu and will take you to Chrome's configuration page where you can customize how your browser looks and behaves. Clicking on Settings is essential as it's the gateway to controlling your toolbar visibility and other display options. Once you're in the Settings page, you'll see a sidebar on the left side of your screen with various categories. Navigate to this left sidebar and click on Appearance. This section specifically controls all the visual aspects of your Chrome browser, including which elements appear in your toolbar and how they're displayed. The appearance settings are where you'll find all the options to restore your missing toolbar items. Now, within the appearance section, you'll see several toggle buttons displayed on the screen. Each of these toggles controls the visibility of different toolbar elements, giving you complete control over what appears at the top of your browser. This is where you can bring back any missing components you need. For example, if you want to restore the missing Home button in your toolbar, simply locate the toggle button beside Show Home button and click it to turn it on. Once enabled, the Home button will immediately appear in your Chrome toolbar, allowing you quick access to your home page whenever you need it. You can apply the same process to other toolbar elements as well. If you want to restore your Bookmarks bar, click the toggle button next to Show Bookmarks bar. Similarly, you can enable the Show Tab Search button toggle to add a search function for your tabs, or turn on Show Tab Groups in Bookmarks bar if you want to organize your bookmarks by groups. Each toggle works independently, so you can choose exactly which toolbar elements you want visible. And that's it. You've successfully restored your missing Chrome toolbar elements. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.